The problem with this school is that MP, where are you? Look at me. Look at the uniform I'm wearing. My name is Cynthia. Where you are standing is called Ngesmin. This field is Ngesmin. Take a look at the classes. Take a look at that one. That is a class. That is actually a class. No windows, right? Are there any? None. There is nothing. We have no tiles on the floor. We have nothing. Sometimes when we come to school, we can almost carry blankets with us. Your Excellency, we love you a lot. And we know you have plans. We believe in you. We trust in you. We know what you're planning. We know that you'll renovate it, but the problem is that we are becoming too impatient now. We are becoming too impatient. Don't make us stick into a misconception that good things were never meant for the people of Ngesmin to see. I'm not here to request much. Senator, I love you a lot. Whenever I see you, it reminds me of the president, and yes. And there's something I need to remind you, Senator. My name is Senator Cynthia. Yes, who doesn't know me? My name is Senator Cynthia. Yes, they always call me Senator. Cynthia is in school, and I do not know why they do. It's because I speak, and yes, you're my role model. Governor, now let me tell you, thank you. Thank you. Take a look at that. Water. We have water. What do I say, Governor? You suffered. You suffered, yes. But let me tell you, the things that you made in here, the things that we said about you, really defended you. What you did, the good things that you did in this school really defended you, Governor. Nowadays, we do not carry water, which always disturbed our studies. Whenever we tried to study, sometimes we were told, run to the river and get the water. But now, we can wash our plates and spoons at school, even though we do not have enough lunch. We can wash our plates and spoons here in school. We have many things. We have many things. We can mop our classes. But most of our classes, MP, we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. MB, thank you also. Let me congratulate you because I do not know how to congratulate you enough for making the road. We know what you're planning. And then I'll be going there like I'm going here. You know, some of us have never gone there, you know. We've never seen such roads, you know. But you have brought something new here and you should just wait for leaders. We won't let you down. I went to a certain school, I saw tiles on the floor, whiteboards, clean windows, everything, nice things. But when I came here, oops, it's just struggling. But I know that all of you will do it. Now to our MCA, our beloved, the one we like two-time to you two, to our senator, to our MB. If I had a foot, I would have said 2 times. But thank you for school. Oh, 4 times. Yes. Maybe I'll be an adult then. Now, thank you. I do not know what to say next, but thank you, and thank you again. I can't thank you enough.